Welcome to online teaching of St. Thomas School. We are going to study moral science subject. Chapter number 6, Influence of Religions. In this chapter, this is a second video, page number 16, last paragraph. Gandhiji believed that the real sign of religiosity lies in tolerance towards other religions. In his childhood, his parents used to visit the Haveli as also Shiva's and Rama's temple and took their children also there. Jain monks visited Gandhi's father quite often and would go out of the way to accept food from them non-Jains. Besides this, friends from other religions also would visit Gandhi's father, who would listen to them with respect and interest. Gandhi often had a chance to be present at these talks, as he was his father's nurse. Such incidents inculcated in Gandhi a toleration of all faiths. Religious tolerance is of immense importance for us Indians because our country has people of different religious faith in it. In this paragraph, it is said Gandhiji was believing in religious. In his childhood, parents used to visit Haveli as also Shiva's and Rama's temple. Jain monks visited Gandhi's father quite often, and when they were going, they were accepting food from them non-Jains. More than that, whenever other religions people were there, Gandhi's father was listening very well with interest and with respect. That was very good. So Gandhiji also was getting chance to present his talk, idea, views. Due to this incident, Gandhiji got faith of religions, and that was very good because in our country different religions there, and we must have faith in all. Page number 17, first paragraph. Gandhiji admitted that the fact that he had learned to be tolerant to other religions did not mean that he had any living faith in God. Later, while he was in England, he got more chances to study more about religions and their scriptures. The richness of their sublime thoughts began to influence him. Gandhi first read the Gita while he was the second year law student in London, and the book struck him as of priceless worth. He also got a chance to read the Bible, and the Sermon of the Mount went straight into his soul. Gandhi appreciated the spirit of detachment and forgiveness. Therein, his young mind tried to unify the teachings of different religions and thoughts of different people. At the suggestion of a friend, he read Thomas Carlyle's essay on the Prophet Muhammad and learned from the Prophet's greatness and bravery and austere living. Here, Gandhiji understood fact. He had learned to be tolerant to other religions. Meaning is not like that he had any living faith in God. Later on, when he was there in England, he got more chances to study more about religions and scriptures, because more information is required for influence. Then Gandhiji first read Gita when he was there in second year law student in London. Then he got many more information. Later on, he got chance to read the Bible and the Sermon of Mount. Then he understood about his soul, and he appreciated the spirit of detachment and forgiveness. Means, what is the importance and what can be happened by giving forgiveness? That is a very important things. So like that, he got more information about different religions. Then his friend suggested to read Thomas Carlyl's essay on the Prophet Muhammad and learn of the Prophet's greatness and bravery. That also Gandhiji read and Gandhiji learned. Page number 17, second last paragraph. Though he could not read more about religions, as it was examination time for him, he decided to continue to read more religious books and to learn about all the principal religions. Being a man open to ideas and knowledge, Gandhiji could not have avoided learning about atheism. Atheism is the belief that God does not exist. He read a few books on atheism, but none of them had any effect on him, because he had already crossed the Sahara of atheism. The news that Mrs. Besant left atheism and embraced theism strengthened his aversion to atheism. Gandhiji illustrates an incident that happened in London. It was a conversation between a champion atheist and clergyman. Well, sir, you believe in existence of God? Asked the atheist. I do, said the good man in a low tone. You also agree that circumference on earth is 28,000 miles, don't you? Said atheist with a smile of self-assurance. Indeed. Then tell me the size of your God and where he may be. Well, if we but knew he resides in the hearts of us both. Now don't take me to be a child, said the champion with triumphant look. The clergyman assumed a humble silence. The arrogance of the atheist and the humility of the clergyman further increased Gandhiji's dislike for atheism. Here, one example is given, in that conversation is given about the atheist. He is telling, are you believing in the existence of God? Then person is telling good in a low tone. Then here atheist said, are you knowing the circumference of earth is 28,000 miles? With a smile of self-assurance, person said, yes, right. Then what is the size of your God and where he may be? Then he was knowing very well. He said, resides in the hearts of us both, you and me. Then atheist person, he was not ready to listen. Then the clergyman assumed a humble silence, but the atheist became angry. And this talk also Gandhiji did not like, because religious is there for being happy, for good things. Thank you very much.